Hey guys, welcome to Black Matrix. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to zoom in and zoom out using CapCut on your PC. Whether you're editing for YouTube, TikTok, or just for fun, this simple technique will level up your videos. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and add your video to the timeline. Once your video is in place, go to the start of your clip. Now, head over to the Video tab and set a keyframe for both the scale and position. This is where the magic begins. Next, scrub through your timeline to the point where you want the zoom to end. Adjust the scale and position to zoom in according to your preference. Now, let's say you want to keep that zoom for about 2 seconds. All you have to do is move your timeline forward, add another keyframe for the scale and position, but don't adjust anything. This will hold the zoomed in position. Ready to zoom out? Simply go to the part where you want to zoom back out. Add keyframes again for scale and position, then adjust it to zoom out to the original frame or however you like. And there you have it. That's how you can easily zoom in and out using CapCut on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.